Hey guys, this is Aki with Shinykings and I hope you all good out there. A warm welcome to my garage where the magic happens. See that beauty in the background there? That's my 2004 Harley Davidson Electric Light Ultra Classic. And today I'm about to give it a makeover with our brand new wash and shine hybrid graphene-infused ceramic coating. I'll show you how easy it is to apply it without the need for a professional detailer. And yes, you can do this right at home just like I am about to. This cutting edge formula is a game changer for bike maintenance. Ready to see how easy it is to get that showroom shine? Let's dive in and transform this classic together.
Hey there, welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to apply the Wash and Shine 66 graphene-infused ceramic coating. So, our hybrid formula actually combines graphene, SiO2, and polysiloxane to deliver, unmatched gloss, long-lasting protection, and next-level durability. Before you begin, make sure to inspect the paint. If your vehicle has visible swirls or scratches, like I do have on my bike, as you can see here, you need to perform a paint correction first. This is an essential part because once the coating is applied, imperfections will be sealed in if you don't remove them first. But hey, nothing to be worried about or even be afraid of doing a paint correction by yourself. This can be done pretty easily at home with the right equipment, without the detailer price tag. What you would need to remove scratches and swirls is an electric polisher with polishing pads, a compound, and some sandpaper. If you face deeper scratches, 1200 to 1500 sandpaper is good to start. Use 2000 or 3000 sandpaper for light scratches. There are tons of videos out there on YouTube of how to remove scratches from car paint. So, I do a very fast forward version on scratch and swirl removal to achieve my mirror shine. If your paint already looks good, you can totally skip this part. Step 1, prep the surface. Use a degreaser or prep spray to remove any waxes, oils, or residues. The cleaner the surface, the stronger the bond, and honestly, the better the coating. Step 2, apply a few drops of the ceramic coating onto the suede applicator pad. Work in small sections using straight, overlapping lines to ensure full coverage. Step 3, switch off the light and use our exclusive UV NanoTrace technology. Just grab any standard UV flashlight and shine it over the surface. You'll instantly see the coating glow, confirming complete coverage. It might work better on dark paint than on light, brighter colors. Step 4 is to let the coating flash for 1 to 3 minutes. You'll notice a subtle rainbow-like film, and that's your sign the coating is starting to bond. After the flash time, just buff gently with a clean microfiber towel for a smooth, even finish. Do not polish, just gently buff over the surface to even the coating on the surface. Let the coating cure undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. It's important to avoid water, washing, or rain during this time. You've now applied a professional-grade graphene-infused ceramic coating without the detailer price tag. Enjoy extreme gloss, powerful hydrophobic behavior, and years of UV and chemical resistance. Whether it's your bike, your truck, your RV, or your boat, Wash and Shine 66 makes it simple. Order now at shinykings.com or find us on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and more.